Welcome to Spotfire Analytics. The template you are seeing is designed to examine the risk factors that affect a given financial product. We consider two separate risk factors and see their effect on unexpected product losses, which firms also use to set economic capital. The first tab in the template serves as an introduction to the analytics workflow. The subsequent tabs, which we will see shortly, allow the user to analyze each risk factor, view correlations, run the underlying model, and generate loss distributions. On this tab, we will see how easy it is to adjust model parameters and run a stochastic model that generates scenarios. On the right, we see two scatter plots showing mortality risk against market risk. Each point on the scatter plot is a scenario generated by a simulation engine. The panel on the left represents the exposed model parameters, which the user can change and invoke the underlying model. The user can increase the observed correlation between the two risk factors, generate thousands of scenarios, and visualize the results back on the scatter plot. The output shows both the baseline model run and the user scenario that we just ran. Notice the scenario plot reflects the very high degree of correlation used to run the model. On this tab, we examine each risk factor on its own and again compare the baseline against the scenario. The market risk is represented by the FTSE, a UK-based market index, and is normally distributed. Mortality risk is modeled using a Weibull distribution, and its shape parameter is exposed as a user control. The user can set various values of standard deviation and mortality shape parameter and generate different distributions, as you will see shortly. In the final tab here, we see the losses that result from the stochastic variables in the previous tabs. The losses are linked to risk factors either through a regression function or through a closed-form analytic relationship. In this example, we used a regression function to transform risks into losses. The user can examine any part of the loss distribution by selecting a percentile of interest and see the losses from each risk factor. Here, we see how easy it is to change the views to reflect each risk factor. We thank you for watching this brief demonstration. Please contact our Financial Services Solutions team for a follow-up discussion. Thank you again.